Hi student, good morning to everyone. I think so. Yesterday's homework you have completed. Now today we will start the probability. Next concept is the event. Okay. In event, first of all, event means what? We can say in Marathi that event is एक घटना. कुठली एक घटना. आता आपण वेगवेगळे रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट करतो, तीही एक घटना घडवून आणतो. वेगवेगळे रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट आपण काल बघितलेच, जसं काही कॉईन टॉस करणे, एक कॉईन टॉस करणे, टॉस अ 1 coin, टॉस अ 2 coins, टॉस अ 3 coins, or we can say die is thrown, 2 die is thrown, or we can say pick up the card from the playing cards or number cards, etc. We take one example here, a die is thrown. If a die is thrown, then which outcomes we get? That is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Now these outcomes, if we are keep in the, that is these outcomes are nothing but our sample space, and that sample space we can write as the S in bracket, in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again curly bracket is closed. We can see is the one set. In earlier standard, in 9th standard, we are learning about the set, and that sets are the enclosed in the two curly brackets, starting curly brackets and the ending curly brackets. Okay. Here also these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the elements of the sets, and they are separated by the commas. We can say this sample space is also one set of the outcomes which are come by throwing a die, this experiment. Okay. Now we have to study this random experiment and these outcomes satisfying the particular condition. Which particular condition? Particular conditions means what? We can say the favorable condition. तुम्हाला जे हवं आहे त्या conditions. Favorable conditions are nothing but we can say the conditions. काहीतरी कंडिशन देणे. आता एक आपण जो एक्सपेरिमेंटवरती केला आहे त्याच्यावरनं काही कंडिशन्स तुम्हाला आपण देणार आहोत इथे, आणि मग त्यावरनं तुम्हाला ते सॉल्व करायचं. तर रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंटमध्ये आपल्याला सॅम्पल स्पेस काय मिळालेलं आहे, तर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 पर्यंतचा काही सेट एक मिळाला. आता फर्स्ट कंडिशन, इफ आय गिवन द वेन यू थ्रो अ डाय द आउटकम इज इवन नंबर, देन वी गेट द only even number, that is the 2, 4, 6. These 3 are only the even number in that above the sample space. Again next condition, let us see. When you throw a dice, the outcome is odd number, 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 are the odd numbers. See here, 1, 3, 5. These three numbers are the odd numbers in this random experiment. Now next condition is when you throw a dice, the outcome is prime number. That is the prime number. Which are the prime number in this set? 2, 3 and 5. These are only the prime numbers in this set. That is, we can say the outcome satisfying the particular condition is nothing but the favorable outcomes. Okay. जे outcome काय आहे सॅटिस्फाय करतात कोणती पर्टिक्युलर कंडिशन. ह्या पर्टिक्युलर कंडिशन्स बघा इथे इवन नंबरची, ऑड नंबरची, प्राईम नंबरची, ह्या कंडिशन्स इथे काय केलेल्या आहेत सॅटिस्फाय झालेल्या आहेत ह्या आउटकम्समधून, म्हणून त्यांना काय म्हणायचं आहे फेवरेबल आउटकम्स. ओके. नाऊ these outcomes that is these favorable outcomes, हे फेवरेबल आउटकम्स आपण एका सेटमध्ये मॅनेज केले, तर देन वी गेट द सम सेट, and that sets are nothing but the events. Okay, and we can say that is the nothing but the event. Look here. So first condition is what? When you throw a dice, the outcome is even number, then we get the event as the A is equal to curly bracket. Again we are writing in the set form, in bracket, in curly bracket 2 comma 4 comma 6. Again curly bracket quotes. Here we give here this A name as a suppose. Suppose A is the set of this condition. Again if you are writing second condition in the set form, it will be the B is equal to, in curly bracket, 1 comma 3 comma 5. Again third one is similarly 2 comma 3 comma 5. And these all the events are the about these favorable outcomes, and these outcomes are nothing but the from where we can take it, from the sample space which are given from the random experiment a die is thrown. Therefore we can say these event 2 4 6 1 3 5 2 3 6 2 3 5, these are again some three sets, but these are the sets of this sample space मधलेच हे set. We can say these at the every event is the subset of the sample space. सबसेट आहे बघा, प्रत्येक इव्हेंटमधले जे ABC आपण इव्हेंट्स घेतल्यात त्या प्रत्येकमधले एलिमेंट्स आपण बघायला गेलो तर हे सगळे सॅम्पल स्पेसमधलेच आपल्याला दिसतील. दॅट इज वी कॅन से A इज द सबसेट ऑफ S, B इज द सबसेट ऑफ S and C is also the subset of S. That is, the events which are come with the favorable outcomes are nothing but the subset of the sample space. Okay. Now after this we are solving the exercise, that is a practice set 5.3. Okay. Have a nice day.